In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a short voice sample and turn it into a full audio track. To get started, head over to the Create section of the platform. This is where you'll find the tools for starting a new project. Once you're there, click Upload Audio. In some cases, you may also see the option to record directly instead of uploading a file, and either method works. If you already have a voice clip saved on your device, uploading is usually the fastest option. If not, recording directly can be a simple way to create your sample on the spot. Next, you'll need to provide a clear audio snippet of your voice. This clip should be between 6 and 60 seconds long, and it can be either singing or speaking, depending on what kind of result you want. The most important thing here is clarity. Try to use a recording that has minimal background noise, steady volume, and a clean vocal take. If your sample is too noisy or hard to hear, the generated result may not sound as accurate or polished. A short, well-recorded sample is often better than a longer clip with distractions in the background. After your audio has been uploaded, look for the option to extend or reuse audio. This is the feature that takes your vocal sample and uses it as the foundation for generating a full track. If you choose Extend, the system will continue building from the original clip, which can help create something that feels connected to your sample. If you choose Reuse Audio, it will use the uploaded voice as source material for a new generated output. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the interface, but the goal is the same, using your voice sample to produce a longer piece of audio. Once you've selected one of those options, the platform will begin generating the full track based on your vocal input. At this point, all you need to do is let the process run and review the result when it's finished. If needed, you can always go back and try again with a cleaner or more expressive sample to improve the outcome. That's